Hey guys, it's me, Virtual Zoo, and today the new 2023 Furby has come in, and I'm going to be opening it. Alright, here is the unveiling, and the box is a little bigger than I thought. I thought it was going to be like Furbling sized. Like, seriously. Oh my god. There it is. So here it is compared to a Furby 2012's box, and I will also be comparing it to a Furby Connects box. So yeah, there you go. Alright, let's get this started. And my knife broke, that's just great. Your voice unlocks the ultimate Furby friendship. I don't know if this is where you open the box. Oh yeah, I need to give a better tour of the box first. But yeah, here it is. Furby, string, pizza charm, 12 clip beads, comb. And the bottom is just your typical information. So yeah, let's get this open. I think I should open it right around here. Okay, sorry, I hit my tripod. No. I don't know where I'm going to open this at. I don't want to rip the package too much. I didn't want to rip the box, and here I am. I don't know why they made the box so complicated, but they did. Keep out. Furby and Bestie only. Knock knock, who's there? Pull here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Here it is. The new 2023 Furby. It's like really fluffy. It's probably screwed into the bottom. Move this stuff around here. Got those batteries and screwdriver. Get Furby out of here. Oh yeah, before let's get it out of here real quick. And the feet do move ever so slightly, from what I know. So I freed him from his prison, which is this, and there's some Furby art on here. I already showed that, I think, yeah. And here's, I assume, is the manual, which, yep, here we go. And, oh, it's one big thing. Show this off real quick. And they got Furbish here. And then the other side. I'm sorry, it's kind of see-through from the lighting. But, yeah, I'm probably going to look more into this once I get it on. But yeah, there it is. It's like the same size as a Furby Connect, as you can see here. I thought it was going to be way smaller, but I guess I was wrong. So yeah, let's get some batteries in this guy and see how he does. So I haven't put the batteries in yet, but I noticed the eyes are like, you know, those kind of old dolls that close. Or like a Teddy Ruxpin. Their eyes are kind of like that. A little bit. Oh. Battery compartment's different. Okay. I still miss the digital eyes though, but oh well. At the same time, I kind of like the, whoa. I like the non-digital eyes too.
Fur, check. Feet, check. Ears, check. And check. Yep, Furby all here.
Wow.
Is Unai new bestie? Unai means you, by the way. Well, if we're new BFFs, we should talk. Ka, like the best listener. Oh, Ka mean I, by the way. If ever want to talk to Furby, all Unai gotta do is push Furby's heart gem and say,
Yep.
Hey Furby, go ahead, try.
Hey Furby.
Oh, Furby, hear you. Now we best friends forever.
Alright, here we go.
Does Furby have booger? tell truth.
Hey, Furby.
Now say, dance party.
Dance party.
Hey, Furby. New, la, 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 la. Everybody
Okay.
loves you, Furby. New, la, 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 la. No, la, 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 la. New, la, 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 la. Everybody loves you, Furby.
Does it dance to
Yeah, we love you. Hey, Furby.
music that isn't sung by the Furby? Like the Furby Connects in 2012?
Everybody loves you, Furby. New, la, 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 la. No, la, 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 la.
It's gonna be rather disappointing if it doesn't.
Everybody loves you, Furby. Patch Furby head for another song.
Either my pet
Bestie
sense.
for life. Una my bestie. Yes, you. You always get me. Yes, you do, 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 do.
And oh yeah, it came with some jewelry too.
You are Furby's BFF. Best friend in all the world. My friend is never end. We'll always be best friends.
I don't want to get beads everywhere, but
Always.
see these beads and all that? Comes with that too.
Furby Belly to play again.
No. Hey, Furby. Copycat.
Say something to Furby, and Furby say it back.
I honestly don't know what to say, really.
Chipmunk. I honestly don't know what to say, really. Patch Furby head for another voice.
Come on.
All finished copycatting. Meow.
What? Do more. Hey, Furby. Copycat.
Say something to Furby, and Furby say it back.
Okay, but yeah, overall, this Furby isn't...
Beep, boop, boop, beep. Patch Furby head for another voice.
Hey, Furby.
Oh yeah, you betcha.
Ah, I forgot. Hey, Furby. Tell my fortune.
Crystal Furball. Rub Furby belly to see future. New door will open. Old door will close. Go through open door. Patch Furby head for another fortune.
Hey, Furby. Let's chill.
Okay, time to relax. Sit comfortably and let's take deep breaths. Ready? Close eyes and think of happy place. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Oops. Breathe out.
So, yeah, this Furby just seems more cheaply made.
Spaghetti and wiggle around.
This Furby seems more cheaply made than the 2012s or the Furby Connects or the Furby Booms, in my opinion. It's still pretty neat. I love the design and all that, but the whole mouth not moving and stuff being it's disappointing.
Breathe out.
And yeah, and don't have a tail either. That as well.
Look around and notice 5 things Unai see.
Are you about done?
Exercise unlocked.
All
I
right.
love you so much.
Let's try out the. Oh yeah, and this is how you feed it.
Pleasing to Fur Belly.
And then tickle. And like I said, I don't know. Oh, there we go.
Sweetheart.
It finally reacted.
Uh-huh. Exactly what Furby thought Unai say.
And then let's try out the other command. Hey, Furby. Light show.
Cyber Furb.
Let's turn off some of my lights right here. That's all it does. So, overall, I think this Furby is okay. I don't hate it. It doesn't do as much as the other Furbies do, like the older generations. And I mean, I like the voice. I like that they added the voice command stuff. That's nice. It's just I'm conflicted on the eyes. I like the LCD eyes on the older ones, and at the same time, I like these animatronic eyes in a way, but I prefer more the 90s Furby's eyes if they're gonna do that, in my opinion. And yeah, and I like the light up ears as well. That's cool, but I don't really care for this furry texture around them. It makes it look kind of gross. It looks kind of slimy. That's my opinion. If you see what I mean. But yeah, this one just seems more cheaply made than the other Furbies. Granted, I haven't played with it enough to get a full-on opinion yet, but this is just my first impression of it. Are you gonna...
Oh, it was so pretty.
So I guess it just turned into a nightlight or something. But yeah. Let's see. And the fart jokes are still there. Like in the Furby Connect.
Furby got lots to say about that.
Yep. I think I already did all the commands. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and set it beside like a Furby Connect and a old Furby. See how that goes. So overall, like comparing these two, this one just doesn't move as much. Like there's no mechanisms inside the body like in the Furby Connect, if you can see. It just moves its ears, feet, and eyes. That's pretty much it. And it's just not as expressive. And let's go to the side here. There they are on their side.
Whoa. That's what Furby was going to say. We got everything.
Oh, actually, press the heart. Oh.
Can I repeat?
I wonder if it does like...
Exactly what Furby thought when I say.
How are you? How are you? Hey, Furby. How are you?
Hearing things? Aurora, Furby, Alice.
What? Oh, I just switched the light show again. I don't think it reacts to... I don't think it responds to stuff like, how are you hungry, like the 2005 Furbies do. But, yeah, I guess that's this video. Feel free to tell me what you guys think of this Furby. I think it's okay, but I kind of wished I would have went in a more expressive direction and have more functions like be more expressive like the Furby Connects, and then have more functions like the 2005 Furbies, you know? That's how I would like it. But this Furby is overall okay, in my opinion. I don't hate it. I think it's okay. But yeah, feel free to tell me what you guys think in the comments. And another thing I found out about this Furby, get it out of that mode. I found out if you lay it on its back and you touch the pet sensor, it goes to sleep.
Ooh, her favorite color. Time for sheep count.
Is there stuff already on the feet? Did they get dirty that easy?
All aboard the Dreamtown Express.
You just... I think it goes to sleep. It just acts like it will.
No. Furby wide awake.
I think it's asleep now. Yeah. There we go. But yeah, that's this video. Virtual Zoo out.